Your dog's shedding season doesn't have to destroy your couch anymore. Well, budget buying just compared 5 self-cleaning slicker brushes that promise less mess and happier pets, but only one delivers the perfect balance of comfort, cleaning power, and durability. Stick around, because the difference between these 5 might surprise you. If you're dealing with a pet that has sensitive skin and flinches at typical grooming tools, this is where you should start looking. The Hertzgo brush earns its spot by prioritizing gentleness above everything else. Its bristles are designed specifically to detangle without irritating skin, which matters enormously for pets who dread brushing sessions. Beyond comfort, it handles the practical side well too, pulling loose fur and dirt away from the coat rather than letting it scatter across your floors and furniture. It works across different coat types and pet sizes, so multi-pet households aren't stuck buying separate brushes for a cat and a dog. The ergonomic grip keeps grooming sessions comfortable for you as well, reducing hand fatigue during longer sessions. ClickUp follows the same simple philosophy. One button press retracts the bristles and drops the collected fur. No picking through tangled hair by hand. The gentle approach genuinely makes it easier to groom anxious or sensitive pets without a fight. Shedding control is solid for everyday maintenance, and the retractable cleaning mechanism keeps things tidy. Where it falls a bit short is heavier-duty detangling, since the softer bristle design isn't built for seriously matted coats. It's a comfortable, dependable entry point, but pets with thicker or more tangled fur may need something with a bit more bite further up this list. Struggling with mats that just won't budge no matter how gently you brush? This next option handles that problem more directly. Yiefur steps things up by focusing specifically on tangles and mats, using soft-tipped bristles that break through knots while still delivering a massaging sensation pets actually seem to enjoy. That combination matters, because effective detangling usually comes at the cost of comfort, yet this brush manages to balance both reasonably well. The handle gets attention too, wrapped in a soft anti-skid silicone gel that keeps your grip steady even during longer grooming sessions. ClickUp follows the now familiar self-cleaning button design, releasing collected fur instantly without digging through bristles by hand. Built from non-toxic chemical-free material, it's suited for both long-haired and short-haired cats specifically, though it handles dogs capably as well. It's a brush built around making a genuinely stressful task feel more like bonding time. The mat-breaking bristle design is a real strength here, tackling tangles more effectively than purely gentle brushes. The silicone gel handle also adds noticeably more comfort during extended use. On the downside, the soft-tip design means it's more tailored toward cats and lighter coats, so owners of large, heavily shedding dogs might find it less efficient. It's an excellent choice for cat owners specifically, though dog owners with thick double coats may want something more robust. Now we're getting into brushes that think about your pet's actual skin health, not just the fur on top of it. Depets separates itself with genuine attention to circulation and comfort at the skin level, not just surface-level fur removal. The stainless steel needles are bent at a precise 60-degree angle, specifically to reach closer to the skin, which helps promote blood flow while brushing rather than just skimming the coat. Round beads at the bristle tips double as a gentle massage tool, reducing the scratching sensation that makes some pets resist grooming altogether. It handles loose hair, shedding mats, dander, and dirt in a single pass, which keeps both your pet and your home noticeably cleaner. The one-click cleaning button removes collected fur instantly, and the brush itself is fully washable for long-term hygiene. A non-slip ergonomic handle rounds things out, adding a massaging comfort for your own hand during use. The angled needle design is a genuine standout, offering real skin benefits beyond typical fur removal. Compatibility with both long and short-haired pets adds welcome versatility for multi-pet homes. The trade-off is that the more structured bristle design has a slightly firmer feel than the softer brushes earlier on this list, which may need a gentler introduction for skittish pets. Overall, it's a strong middle ground option between gentle detangling and effective deep cleaning. Here's where things start feeling noticeably more refined, especially if you've ever fought with a heavy, battery-dependent grooming tool before. Wopqaem earns its higher position by keeping things simple without sacrificing performance. There's no battery or charging required here, just a lightweight, fully manual design that's ready whenever you are. The stainless steel bristles have fine, soft ends that clean effectively without risking scratches or discomfort, making it genuinely suitable across cats and dogs of all ages, sizes, and coat types. Beyond fur removal, it doubles as a massage tool, improving circulation while leaving the coat visibly softer and shinier after use. The push-button cleaning system works exactly as you'd expect. Bristles retract with one press and release collected fur just as easily, keeping the whole process quick and mess-free. An ergonomic anti-slip handle finishes the package, specifically engineered to prevent wrist strain during longer sessions. The battery-free, lightweight design is a genuine convenience advantage, especially for daily use. Versatility across different pet types and coat conditions makes it a smart pick for multi-pet households. The only real limitation is that its universal design, while flexible, isn't as specialized as brushes built specifically for heavy matting or particular coat types. Still, for everyday brushing across a variety of pets, it delivers a smooth, comfortable, dependable experience. And now, the brush that pulls everything together into what feels like a genuinely professional-grade tool. Swihauk closes out this list with a design that leans into durability and comfort simultaneously. The TPR handle material offers a noticeably comfortable, secure grip that holds up well through repeated daily use, a small detail that makes a real difference during longer grooming sessions. Stainless steel bristles with plastic tips strike a careful balance between effective fur removal and skin safety, reducing the risk of scratches while still cutting through loose hair and light tangles efficiently. The push-button self-cleaning mechanism keeps maintenance effortless, clearing collected fur instantly so you're never stuck picking hair out by hand. It's positioned as a professional-grade option, suggesting a level of build quality and finish that goes beyond a basic household tool, without straying into complicated or overly technical territory. The combination of a durable TPR handle and safety-focused plastic-tipped bristles makes this feel noticeably more refined than several other options on this list. The self-cleaning mechanism remains fast and genuinely effortless. Its main limitation is that, without built-in massage textures or angled needles, like some competitors, it leans more towards straightforward efficiency than added therapeutic extras. Even so, its overall build quality and comfort make it a genuinely strong performer at the top of this comparison. Weighing comfort, versatility, and everyday practicality, the Wopqaem self-cleaning slicker brush stands out as the most well-rounded pick. Its battery-free design, gentle stainless steel bristles, and suitability across every pet type make it easy to recommend for most households. If your pet deals with heavier matting, the Depets brush is worth a closer look instead. Ultimately, your pet's coat type and sensitivity should guide your final decision. Which brush earned your vote for best pick? Drop a comment and let us know. If this comparison helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Budget Buying for more honest reviews like this one, and check the description below for direct purchase links to everything we covered today.